So Councilman E. Crafton favors himself after the councilman and Texas Chainsaw Massacre with the high cut sideburns and that rides around in a black limo in the back. Somehow, the knowledge that that guy's a councilman also came to be, and it was recently learned that he favors himself, likens himself after that guy. Wow, huh? That guy have hoops on his nipples the size of dip cans or some shit. Which is about right for this area's councilman.